Well, I'm just tidying up my stitchery after my Christmas visitors have gone and doing a bit of a reorg. And I wasn't going to stop and do anything, but I got this new parcel. So I think we should open it together, don't you? Now, the story behind this is that I got 2 quilting books and they're both the same. So I was able to send them back and get a credit for something that's going to help me, I'm sure. Yeah, here we go. What is it? I hope it's what I think it is. Oh, it is. Look at this. I wonder what it is. Well, I know. Do you know? Box. What an amazing tin, actually. Inside is, wow, let's see. Well, it's nice if I just do it like this. Here, that's better. Now, I do have an Oliso. So much for the surprise element. You'd be all gone by now. Look at this little cutie. Oh my word, look at that. A little mini iron. Isn't it incredible? Well, you'll be seeing a lot more of that in my next set of videos that are coming up. So, thanks for watching. Hope you had a good Christmas as well.